Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to change the order of integration. So that means we need to change dy dx into dx dy. Because we change this one, that means we need to change the new bounds in here. The first thing, we have dy between number 0 and 11x about dx, that is from number 0 and number 1. And now we need to graph about y equals to 11x. That should be like this. So s from 0 to number 1. So we see that y is greater than or equals to number 0. That is about this one. And smaller than 11x, that is about this one. So that means that we below in here. So the area we need to concentrate, that is about this one. Because we change the s dy, so we need to find the new bound for s. So as you can see that s, we know that we have y equal to 11s. So this one we divide both sides by 11. We have s equal to number 1 in here. And s equal to y over 11. So here for s, if we look on the graph, we can see that s is greater than or equal to y over 11 and smaller than or equals to number 1. About y, that is about this one. So when s equal to number 1, y equal to 11 in here. So as you can see that y is greater than number 0 and smaller than or equal to 11. And now here is about the new double integrals in here. About s, that should be from y over 11 over number 1 and y in here from 0 to 11. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.